Tonight, we will call another young and vibrant singer who's gonna give us a solo song performance. Brothers and sisters, a round of applause to Alvin Mahina. Ready? Okay, Alvin Mahina, a round of applause.
As I look into
I may not be a jury, but I like your stage projection. Right? Do you agree with me, Kuya Bo? Yeah. Kaya kinsa tani mo gi-dedicate ka song, Alvin? He's shy. Later na daw, yung i-text sa ako. Alright, you're a very, very good singer. Let's hear it from Kuya Bong.
Allow me to borrow a line from my eye. You rock my world. I believe no, our performance mo tonight, it's shall I say, MCC's Got Talent at its best. You have a wow factor, pagsudo pa lang, i-prepare dyan, no? Costume pa lang, may wow factor na. Your performance level, ayun. It's awesome. Yung performance, you did great tonight. Nalo ko kanang gamay na encouragement. Maybe limit lang your body and hand movement. You've been roaming around the stage, and in a way, it's quite distracting. Because I think, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not a singer, tanang lumuon mo, dapat na ay reason. Why you should do this hand, why you should go there, why you should put your hand in your breast. There's always be a reason. So maybe just limit lang. Gamay na lang na. Kanang considerable, it's considerable, medyo makiyawan ka karoon. But please, ayaw kang kuyaw. Because you have the talent. If there's a need for you to smile, smile. And if there's a need for you na mag-uol because the line says so, then be magulahan nun, if the line says so. If you have to be happy and jump for joy there because the song says so, then do it. Alright? You connect as well, with the song that you're singing. But overall, you gave us a total performance.
Thank you, Bong. Happy Pia?
Alvin, wow! I think any lady's heart will melt with your voice tonight. But really, suave kind of very relaxed. I think I would agree with Bong. One year, kind of performance level year, I appreciate the fact that you put on a very good costume because that's really what you call a total performer. You prepare for everything, even if it's just church or a small venue, it doesn't matter. What's important is when you're out there, you will perform and you'll give your best. And I think we saw that in you today. You were very comfortable on stage, no? That's something that's a plus factor because not everyone has that comfortability on stage. They have the voice, but makurog yun doon ay ikaw stage fright. Ikaw wala na ana, no? But ang ako na siguro suggestion, Alvin, no? You have the voice, you have the looks, you have the potential. Ang ako lang yun is yes, you were looking at the audience, okay? Listen, but I just didn't feel the emotion to be able to connect with you with the song. You were lacking in emotion, no? So dapat, you have to feel the song that you're singing. Medyo mahuwa, no? Muna ko pa get out sa emotion, Alvin, but you have it in you. You just have to really, get it out even more. And go mo. You have the talent. Not everyone is given a great singing voice, and God gave that to you. Use it to the fullest. You're awesome. Give me that.
Thank you, Lydia. Clear answer?
Yeah, I agree. Siguro, nato yung action mo because familiar kami kaya mo man yung genre of that's a song from A1, Like a Rose. It's a group. Yung na ilang movement, no? So sa ilang pagkanta. So iya siguro gi-imitate, no? Sabi na ko nag-solo na ang A1 karon. Yeah, because one is red, no? From the group going solo. Ito, Arvin, nindot kayo, no, imong ipangandamon yung tanan, and you move like and perform like a pro. And Ang MCCC got no stage anymore because you own the stage. Wala, madayon guidance lang dyan, no? Training, doon na lang dyan yung mga mugay din mo. Nindot kayo ng future, Alvin.
Okay, Alvin, you have the talent, total performance, and you came here prepared. Anything like to say sa ating jury of encouragers? I-text na lang po daw niya